Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wave Payroll reports for W-2 and tax filing, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Wave Payroll reports for W-2 and tax filing, begin by logging into your Wave account. Navigate to the Payroll section from the main dashboard. In the Payroll section, look for the Reports tab. Click on the Reports tab to open your reporting options. Select the W-2 report option from the list of available reports. Ensure that you have entered all employee information accurately. Review the details to confirm that each employee's earnings are correctly recorded. Check for any errors or missing information that may affect the W-2 forms. If there are discrepancies, go back to the Employees tab to make necessary corrections. Once everything is accurate, return to the Reports tab and select the W-2 report again. Click on the button to generate the W-2 forms for each employee. Review the generated W-2 forms thoroughly for correctness. After confirming accuracy, download the W-2 forms as PDF files. Next, navigate to the tax filing section within the payroll area. Select the relevant tax forms needed for filing. Follow the prompts to complete any required information related to tax filing. Ensure that you understand the deadlines for filing these forms. Once all information is complete, submit your tax forms electronically if available. If you prefer, print the forms for manual submission. Keep a record of all submitted forms for your personal records. Regularly check for updates or changes in tax filing requirements each year. This ensures compliance and helps streamline the process for future filings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.